Thank you very much for inviting me. I am so glad to talk to this group, which is doing very good work. And classical music is certainly part of our great heritage. And I have always felt that in the olden days, I'm not talking like an old man, but the golden era of film music is certainly it has contributed to the preservation of heritage music. And heritage, by heritage music, I mean the music which is full of ragas and which is full of raginis and which is very solid in structure and very appealing also. Not just solidity, classical solidity, but appealing music. Uh, to begin with, I will just hum a tune, a song which is very popular in spite of the lapse of more than 60 years from a film called Kohinoor. मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे पग में घूंगर बांध कर घूंघटा मुख पर डाल कर नैनन में कजरा लगा के रे मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे. This is a film song based on a rag, evening rag called Hamir, and it was recorded not less than 65 years ago, and it continues to be very popular with the new generation also. And the very fact that it has such a kind of appeal shows that something which has come from the art music is still relevant. It defies the I mean uh, it can appeal to different generations, and it is everlasting in its appeal because it has roots in art music or classical music. Now I must explain why I keep calling art music, because uh, as far as classification of music types or music systems is concerned, in the modern days they don't like to call it classical music. They call it art music because it is a very special kind of music where music is created art for its art's sake. That is the philosophy behind it. And film music is considered to be belong to the category of popular music. So I have always felt that quality popular music has its roots in good art music. Just as I demonstrated just now about Rag Hamir. Now, if you uh, have heard Rag Hamir in a classical concert, in a concert where only art music is sung or played. घर जाऊं लंगरवा कैसे घर जाऊं लंगरवा सुन पावे मोरी सास नदिया छान चले मोहे जीतन गरवा कैसे घर जाऊं नगरवा मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे. You can easily see the similarity between the notes, between the note patterns, and uh, between the overall structure of the song. So my point is that so many songs, so many melodies have been the source of. So these ragas have been the source of these tunes, which are hummed over generations. Now, I will just talk about another rag called Hansadhwani. Hansadhwani is a raga of Carnatic origins, and it was imported from the Carnatic system to the Hindustani system over the last say century, and it became popular. I mean, in the art music circles because of the film songs which was uh, composed in the 50s, late 50s. There was a film called Parivar. In Parivar, the composer Salil Chowdhury created, he composed a song, "Hmm, जातों से नहीं बोलू कन्हैया जातों से नहीं बोलू कन्हैया राह चलत पकड़ी मुरी भैया राह चलत पकड़े मोरी भैया जा तो से नहीं जा तो से नहीं जा तो से नहीं भूलू कन्हैया. Now this is pure Hansadhwani, and it is based on a classical bandish. Bandish meaning composition by Ustad Aman Ali Khan from Bhendi Bazar Gharana. Now you are doing heritage walks, so I hope sometimes you take the your members to Bhendi Bazar Gharana area. The name of Bhendi Bazar Gharana, it came from behind the bazaar. Behind the bazaar means Bhendi Bazar. That is how the name came. And this was in the 19th century in South Bombay. Three musicians from North India, they from Rampur, they came over to Bombay and they settled there and they began teaching there. So those three brothers, they were referred to as singers from not Rampur Gharana, but from Bhendi Bazar, from Bhendi Bazar. So now, how that is how the name stuck. And Gharana meaning the school of music. So this Aman Ali Khan was a product of Bhendi Bazar Gharana, and used to uh, keep going to Karnataka, Mysore state. Mysore state was a uh, great patron of music, and very famous musicians like singers like Ustad Fayaz Khan, Ustad Abdul Karim Khan, whose legendary names in the field of art music. They used to visit Mysore court. So Aman Ali Khan was also one of them, and there he heard this rag Hansadwani, and that rag he liked so much that he adapted that rag to Hindustani music. And the original composition in the Carnatic music was a devotional वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहम् वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहम्. So he converted it into a Hindustani composition. लागी लगन सखी पति सन लागी लगन सखी पति सन लागी लगन सखी पति सन परम सुख अति आनंद लागी लगन. So what Salilda did, Salil Chowdhury, he straight away, I won't call it lifting, but he was inspired by that Hamsadvani composition of Aman Ali Khan. So he uh, emulated, I would say emulated. जा तो से नहीं भूलू कन्हैया जा तो से नहीं जा जा तो से नहीं जा तो से नहीं भूलू कन्हैया. So, and you will see that this Ja to se nahi bhulu kanhaiya was heard all over India by music lovers and musicians. And that is how the attractive notes of Hansadvani charmed music lovers and musicians. And then Hansadvani became a very popular rag. It is sung or played in the evening, and so many, compositions are done in that rag. There was a film called Jaagte Raho. I don't know whether you have seen it. It was produced by Raj Kapoor's RK Movies. And in that film, the last sequence of the film was a song being played in the background, sung by Lataji. And it was the thirsty hero who is a very poor man, peasant from rural area. He comes to the main city and he is in search of a drop of water to quench his thirst. And he is suspected to be a thief, and the whole movie goes around that theme. So in the end, he gets some water, and that scene is, Nargis only comes for that cameo performance, and she's serving water to this peasant, poor peasant. So the song is being played in the background, and that song is like goes like this. जागो मोहन प्यारे जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे जागो नवयुग चूमे नैन तिहारी जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे जागिरे जागिरे सब दुनिया जागी जागिरे जागिरे सब कलिया जागी जागिरे 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 जागिरे. There is a kind of marching song, and it's the climax of the film. This song is a constitutes the climax of the film. But very few people know that this song is based on a classical composition from the rag repertoire of rag Bhairav, which is a morning rag. because that story happens, I mean, unfolds during the night. The entire night is, spent hunting for the thief, alleged thief, and the thief is trying to save himself from the predatory people, urban people. And the whole night is spent chasing him. And then in the morning, everything clears off and he gets his water. So the morning rag is used, which is morning rag. Means some ragas are sung in the morning, some ragas are sung in the evening, some in the night. So this Bhairav rag. Now, जागो मोहन प्यारे जागो नवयुग चूमे नयन तिहारी. This is how the song goes. But the original composition has the same words as the Mukhra. Mukhra meaning the main line. Ja, जागो मोहन प्यारे तुम जागो मोहन प्यारे सावरी सूरत मोरे मन ही भावे सावरी सूरत मोरे मन ही भावे सुंदर श्याम हमारे तुम जागो मोहन प्यारे रात समय उठी भानुदय भयो ग्वाल माल सब भूपति आए तुमरे दरस के काज ठाणे उठी उठी नंद किशोरे तुम जागो मोहन प्यारे. So you can see this complete similarity between the art music version of the song and the film music version of the song. That again goes to prove my point that popular music has its roots in the art music. There are so many examples. I am just giving you a few examples. In 1997, when we finished 50 years of independence, a survey was conducted by the Outlook magazine. They wanted to know which is the best film song over the last 50 years. They conducted a poll of one song from the film Chitralekha. The song was sung by Muhammad Rafi, composed by Roshan. Roshan is the grandfather of Hrithik Roshan. This is how I introduce him. Actually, I could have introduced Hrithik Roshan as the grandson of Roshan, the composer, but in the reverse way, I introduced him. Uh, so that song is based on a rag called Yaman. मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे हो निर्मोही मोहन जाने जिनका मोह करे मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे इस जीवन की चढ़ती बहती धूप को किसने बांधा रंग पे किसने पहरे डाले रूप को किसने बांधा, काहे जतन करे मन रे, तू काहे न धीर धरे, वो निर्मोह मोह न जाने, जिनका मोह करे. Now, the classical composition on which it is based is Gwalior Gharana composition. पियरवा तिहारी नेक नगर, परवारी वारी गईयो बलिहारी, बरजर ही बार बार पियर तिहारी नेक नगर. You can see the how both the things match. Now, this Roshan, the composer, belonged to the now what is called Bhatkhande University of Music. Earlier, it was called Maris College of Music in Lucknow. Maris was a Britisher who studied and supported Hindustani music. So his name was given to this college, and then later it turned into a university. And the products of the Maris College and contemporaries or co-students of Roshan were classical singers like very well-known classical singers like Chidanand Nagarkar, K.G. Ginde, Dinkar Kaikini, S.C.R. Bhatt, and they were roommates. So Roshan stayed with them and he learned all these ragas and raginis at the Maris College. And after he finished his graduation, earned his degree, he still wanted to learn more and more of music. So he went to the place called Maihar in Madhya Pradesh. Maihar is the place where Ustad Allauddin Khan used to stay because he was the court musician of Maihar. And Allauddin Khan is the guru of Pandit Ravi Shankar. And Roshan went there, requested, touched his feet and requested him to teach him, accept him as a student. And Allauddin Khan allowed him to stay with him. And for more than 6 months he stayed and he taught him only Rag Yaman, which is a very basic rag and which is a very beautiful rag, and it's a source of endless number of tunes, film songs and tunes. So after 6 months, Alauddin Khan Sahib told him, now you can go wherever you want to. I have taught you enough. And it was really enough in the sense that Roshan created so many tunes based on Rag Yaman. I used to, I prefer calling Roshan and Madan Mohan, the other composer, both of them, as kings of Yaman because they have, you know, incredibly sweet tunes they have created out of this rag. जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात, एक अनजान हसीना से मुलाकात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी. This was from Barsat Ki Raat, composed by Roshan. Then there was a film called Dil Hi To Hai, in which Raj Kapoor acted, and there are many songs based on Rag Yaman composed by Roshan ji. One very famous कव्वाली, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, हो निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है. दिस इज वन सॉन्ग. दिल जो भी कहेगा मानेंगे दुनिया में, हमारा दिल ही तो है, दिल जो भी कहेगा मानेंगे दुनिया में, हमारा दिल ही तो है. Another song from the film. तुम अगर मुझको न चाहोगी कोई बात नहीं, तुम किसी और को चाहोगी तो मुश्किल होगी, तुम किसी और को चाहोगी तो मुश्किल होगी. So my point is that Yaman has so much potential as a rag that Roshan ji could you make 3-4 songs out of it for one single film. Or if you go to other composers, दिल बेताब को सीने से लगाना होगा, आज पर्दा है तो कल सामने आना होगा. Now, classical music has some kinds of modulations of the voice which are very special. Now, you just look at this. दिल बेताब को सीने से. This is called a mean. Mean meaning a curve, tonal curve. सीने से लगाना होगा, आज पर्दा तो कल सामने आना होगा, आपको प्यार का दस्तूर निभाना होगा, दिल झुकाया है तो सर को भी झुकाना होगा. The way there is a kind of slurred pronunciation of the micro tones between two notes, which is a special characteristic of art music that is also used by film music. So this is one very special thing about our film music. We are talking of Rag Yaman, and somebody asked a question just now that popped up, which is the most popular rag for film music. So one is Yaman, another is Bhairavi, and third is Pahadi. I'm still talking about Yaman because some songs by, say, Pani ni ni re 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 ma 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 dha pa ma pa re, ni re re ga, ni re re ma 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 da 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 sa ni da ni pa. Can you recall the tune? जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सावरिया, लगी मन में लगन हुई बावरिया जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सावरिया. This is Madan Mohan's duty is right. And as I told you earlier, Madan Mohan was also a king of Yaman. कभी वो तो नहीं, कहीं वो तो नहीं, कहीं वो तो नहीं. Jamuna ji is very correct. One of the best songs in Yaman. जा रे बदरा बैरी जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बैरी जा 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 रे पिया का संदेशवा ला रे जा रे बदरा बैरी जा. In this particular song, there is a sitar played by Ustad Abdul Halim Jafar Khan, and it's a wonderful sitar composition, sitar gut, as I would say, and it is as expressive as the human voice of Lata Mangeshkar. So please, when you listen to this song again, don't forget to listen to the sitar played by Halim Jafar Khan sahib. So, if any and another
Let me check. Motion, can you put that picture, please?
भूली हुई यादों मुझे इतना न सताओ, अब चैन से रहने दो, मेरे पास न आओ. भूली हुई यादों, भूली हुई यादों. We have a very knowledgeable audience here. जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना. Again based on Yaman. और आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, ये कह दे हमें भूल जाए. क्या बात. So all these songs are based on Rag Yaman, and Yaman is an endless प्रेमन सुर में. You're right. So Yaman is an endless source of, bottomless source of tunes. The best song which I mean, I can't say the best, all are good. लव लगाती गीत गीत गाती, लव लगाती गीत गाती, दीप मैं हूँ प्रीत बाती, लव लगाती गीत गाती. So Yaman, of course, and then Bhairavi. Bhairavi to सदा सुहागन रागिनी है. That is what people say. Bhairavi is a Sada Suhagana Ragini because it is used on all occasions for all kinds of songs, and it has immense potential for depicting different emotions. Generally, Bhairavi songs are sad songs or songs which are, I mean, wistful, but there are also happy songs. Uh, घर आया मेरा परदेसी. There is a It's beautiful Kumar Gandharva composition. मारा ओढ़ गया घर आया री, आया री, आया री, आया री, आया री, घर आया मेरा परदेसी, प्यास बुझी मेरी अखियन की. I took up this song because it is a wonderful song, a product which is very polished, but it was the recording of the song went on for not less than 18 hours. Said from morning 9 o'clock till next morning 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. And why such a long time? Because the theka, the rhythm on the dhulak, which was being played earlier at the start of recording, in the middle also, did not satisfy Raj Kapoor. Raj Kapoor used to know music very well. He had trained himself under Gwalior Gharana singer, senior Pandit Narayan Rao Vyas, and he was quite knowledgeable. Every time he used to say, "ये ठेका बराबर नहीं चलता है ढोलक का." So someone at around 10 o'clock in the night, someone whispered that we must have Lala for Dholak, Dholki. Raj Kapoor's ears were always tikha. So he just immediately said, "Who is Lala?" He said, "Lala Gangavani. He is the best Dholki player in the industry." So he said, "Go and get him just now." He used to stay at Lalbagh and the studio was at Chembur. A car was immediately sent. Lala was picked up at 11 o'clock in the night and brought to the studio. And Lala, as he came, he took his stance and he just showed his first stroke on the dholki. And then Raj Kapoor exclaimed, "This is what I want." And this is how Theka was approved and the song was recorded and final take was done by 3 o'clock in the night. So that kind of dedication the musicians had, the artists had, the singers had, and that is why we could get such polished products from. And Bhairavi, you know, तू गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा, तू गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा, हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा, हो हमारा तुम्हारा रहेगा मिलन हमारा तुम्हारा. So of course, Laga Chudari Mein Daag is a very famous Bhairavi song and it is sung by Manna Dey. But Barmanda, S.D. Barman, set out to become a classical musician. He was from Tripura and but his father, who was supposed to be the heir apparent of, and then he moved to Komila in East Bengal, which is now in Bangladesh. So Burman trained himself under three Badal Khan and then Tarapada Chakravarti and Girja Shankar Chakravarti, not Tarapada, and K.C. Ray, Manna Ray's uncle. And he wanted to become a musician, I mean classical singer, but somehow he did not click as a classical singer. He sang Bangla folk songs and cut many discs also. But he was deeply influenced by Fayyaz Khan, Ustad Fayyaz Khan. And all his, he sang his tunes were influenced by Fayyaz Khan's music. If you have heard बनाओ बतिया चलो काहे को झूठी बनाओ न बनाओ बनाओ बतिया चलो काहे को झूठी वही जाओ जाओ वही जाओ जाओ जही जाओ जहाँ पे गवाई रतिया चलो काहे को झूठी बनाओ बतिया चलो काहे को झूठी. It was sung by Manna Dey, of course, but original Fayaz Khan and Barmanda adapted it to film music. Or there are songs like in Taxi Driver, there is a car which breaks down. So Johnny Walker sings the song and he leads the chorus. But that is based on Bhairavi. अरे मस्त राम बन के जिंदगी के दिन गुजार दे or if you have Talat Mahmood, one of the best songs of Talat Mahmood, है मेरी दिल कहीं और चल गम की दुनिया से दिल भर गया ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया है मेरी दिल कहीं और चल. So many songs based on Bhairavi, and it still continues to mesmerize music lovers of all generations. The Bhairavi as a uh, as a rag or a ragini. I cannot. I had done a 3 hour program on Bhairavi songs and how they are uh, different versions, different forms of Bhairavi. Tumri, Tappa, Tarana. Diyanare tanu, tanadere gudare tadare dani dara 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 dara. Leti leti lo, yali yanari. Tadare tadani, diyanare tanu. Om tanana diditanu, tanadere nadim, tanana diditanu, tanadere nadim, tanana diditanu. This is sung by Manna Dey in uh, दिल ही तो है. और Shankar Ji Kishan used Bhairavi in a very creative way, and for them, they could really deep down in the vessel called Bhairavi, they dug their uh, palm and brought out many tunes which are still loved by music lovers. Even Naushad. इंसाफ का मंदिर है ये भगवान का घर है दो हंसों का जोड़ा बिछड़ गयो रे गजब भयो रामा विलम भयो रे. So they are really very touching songs. So I am really, this is an endless subject. My time is almost over. If you have any questions, I am open to answer them for a few minutes if all our friends in Khaki permit us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Panditji. You transported us to another zone with this whole group thinking about music and songs and the carryover of the ragas to the to Bollywood. So thank you very very much for that. That was just a delightful experience. I think we were all transported for a while, and you felt you were in a different realm, and that's exactly what music intends to do in terms of uplifting us, and thank you very much. I think I was certainly transported, as I can see so many compliments coming in for your uh, for your singing, for your uh, for your soothing voice, as Revati says, for your beautiful rendering of songs and the songs that you have chosen. Some of them, we probably couldn't make the connect. I think I'll just start from the beginning. Before you said Hamsat Dhwani, I think Vibha said that somehow Ganesha songs go well with that, and of course you sang the first one as that, and everyone has different memories from the songs that you have pulled out. For instance, Jyoti remembered that she had performed to a song that you had sung in her school. Commander Mohan Narayan says, "Ja tose nahi bolun kanhaiya" in Hamsatwami is an adaptation of Vatapi Ganpatim by Muthuswami Dikshitar. So we got some additional information from him as well. I think everyone was reminded of from Maihar about how much music has come from there, because Ustad Alauddin Khan gave us artists like, as Prasad says, like Annapurna Devi, Ali Akbar Khan, besides Pandit Ravi Shankar. And Ramakrishna had a question, and you answered that as to which rag has been most used. So you told us about the three ragas. And I think the rest of the songs, rest of the thing was like a moment of trance where people were posting in their songs and you were connecting them, to the raga. I think that was beautiful. Thank you very, very much. What I would do is that I would request if anybody from the audience would like to drop maybe one, or in fact, Commander Mohan Narayan has a question, and I think we can end with that. If you can give an example of a Hindi song with a series of ragas, as in a ragmala, if you can give us an example, I think we'll wind down with that.
Ragamala. The best Ragamala is, I will, it's not a mala as such, but combination of few ragas. Beginning with Sohini, going to Asavari, Mia Mallar, and ending with Yaman. बोले कोयलिया गुन गुन में भौरे खले गुन बोले आ बोले कोयलिया सज सिंगार ऋतुआ जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती सनि ध मदनि सा गम गम धनि सा रे धनि धनि सनि धनि सनि धनि धनि नि धनि नि धनि मदन मदन मद गरि ग मदनि ध श्रृंगार ऋतु आए बसंती जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती कलिदारे कलियों पे तितलियां झूमे और फूल पंखड़ियां खोले गुनगुन बोले आ कू बोले कोयलिया काहे काहे घटा में बिजली चमकी, हो सकता है मेघराज ने बादलिया का श्याम श्याम मुख चूम लिया हो। बोले कोयलिया। There are connecting instrumental pieces which help you to go from one rag to another, and those we cannot have here just now. प्रिय
But sir, you did not lead us in
चंद्र देख छाई, प्रिय चंद्रिका देख छाई, चंदा से मिलकर मन ही मन में मुस्काई, छाई चंद्रिका देख छाई. And then the last one. तरस रात मन भाई प्रियतमा, कमल कमलनि मिले, तरस रात मन भाई, किरण हार चमके, किरण हार चमके, मन आनंद आनंद डोले, मन आनंद आनंद डोले. निरे ग मन निसा धनि सा निसा निसा धनि 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 मन मन गम गम रे ग निरे ग मन निसा धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा.
Thank you so much, sir. If music be the food of love, Commander Mohan Narayan says, play on. And I think on that note, we want to very gratefully thank you for the wonderful music that you brought for us today.
Thank you.
And with such absolute ease, it is absolutely not easy. Anybody who's learned music for a long or a short time knows how much concentration and how much control and how much discipline you have placed before us as your lifelong learnings and shared with us. Thank you very much for
Thank
this
you.
melodious evening. Thank you very much from all of us. And thank you for our audience for participating and attending and engaging so wonderfully with this session. Thank you once again and see you all next Saturday.
Thank you, everybody.